License plate frames. The frame consists of a license plate mounting base and a locking strip. The license plate frame base is made of flexible and elastic material, polypropylene, so it's not susceptible to mechanical damage. The locking strip is made of a special polystyrene, which makes it resistant to impacts and temperature changes. Our specialists have developed a special paint application technology. This, combined with UV full-color printing, ensures the paint is securely embedded in the plastic, becoming an integral part of it. Even solvents are not a threat to the print. This application method ensures the longevity of the print on surfaces that are constantly exposed to the outdoors. The print is resistant to changing weather conditions and does not react with water or air. It withstands high pressure, 170 bar and car chemicals during car washes. 70% of the license plate frame's construction is made from recycled material, which allows us and our clients to contribute to environmental protection.